In this video, we're going to learn how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So we have two examples that we're going to work through. So let us start with the first one. The first one is 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the first thing is to check if it is in the standard form. The standard form is a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And our equation is in its standard form. The next thing would be to identify what the constants are. So A is 3, B is negative 5, and C is negative 2. So the next thing is to write the quadratic formula, which is given by minus B plus or minus the root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So the next thing is just to substitute these values, the value of A, B, and C in the quadratic formula. So we have minus B is minus 5 plus or minus the root of minus 5 squared minus 4A, and A is 3 times C, which is negative 2, and this is over 2A, and A is 3, so that is 2 times 3. Then we now simplify this expression. So we're going to have positive 5 plus or minus, and under the root we have 25. Then you have minus minus, so that is plus 4 times 3 times 2, that is 24. And this is over 6, that is 2 times 3. So if we simplify this, we're going to find that this is equal to 5 plus or minus the root of 49 over 6, which simplifies to 5 plus or minus 7 over 6. So there are two values of x. The first one is when we take the positive value, that is 5 plus 7 over 6, which is just 12 over 6, and that gives 2. That's the first value. Then the second value is when we take the negative sign. So x is equal to 5 minus 7 over 6. That is minus 2 over 6, which is the same as negative 1 over 3. So for the second equation, we have x squared plus into bracket m minus n x minus 2 into m minus n squared is equal to 0. So the first thing we're going to do is just identify a, b, and c. So in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to m minus n, and c is equal to minus 2 into m minus n squared. The next step is just to substitute these values into the quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula is given by minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us substitute the value of a, b, and c into our quadratic formula. So we have minus b, that is minus into bracket m minus n, plus or minus, and under the root we have b squared, and b is m minus n, and we have 4 into a into c, which is minus 2 into m minus n squared. That is under the root, and all of this is over 2 into a, and a in our case is 1. So that is 2 into 1. So let us simplify this. So we have minus into m minus n plus or minus, and under the root we have m minus n squared. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times minus 2, which is plus 8 into m minus n squared. That is under the root. Then this is over 2 times 1, which is just 2. So if you look at whatever is under the root, you see that they are like terms. M minus n squared and m minus n squared are like terms. So it is 1 plus 8 of those. So we're going to have minus into m minus n plus or minus under the root. We now have 8 plus 1, which is 9, into m minus n squared, and this is over 2. So we can now get the square root of what is under the root, so that our expression is minus into m minus n, and the root of 9 is 3, and that of m minus n squared is just m minus n, and the whole of that is over 2. So there are two values of x here. There is the one where we consider the positive one, and then there's the one where we consider the negative one. So x is going to be minus into m minus n plus 3 into m minus n all over 2. So if we simplify this by opening up the brackets, we're going to have minus m and plus n plus 3m minus 3n all over 2. So that is going to be, we take minus m plus 3m, that is 2m. Then we have n minus 3n, that is minus 2m, and that is over 2. So we see there's a common factor in the numerator, so we bring it out so that we have 2 into m minus n over 2. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here once, so that x is m minus n as the first value of x. And then we can get the other value of x by considering the negative sign. So another value of x will be minus into m minus n minus 3 into m minus n over 2. So if you open up this bracket, we're going to have minus m plus n minus 3m plus 3n over 2. So if we collect like terms, we're going to have minus m minus 3m, that is equal to minus 4m. Then we have n plus 3n, that is now plus 4n, and that is over 2. So the common factor in the numerator is negative 4. So we have negative 4 into m minus n over 2. So 2 goes here once, it goes into negative 4, negative 2 times. So that the other value of x is minus 2 into m minus n. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.